Imagine you're facing a tricky problem where you're trying to scrape data from a web page with a hierarchical structure. You've got different headers and subheadings, and you're struggling to combine them into a tidy format. You're getting 177 headers, but there are actually 270 subheadings. You want a nice table with 2 columns, one for the name and one for the person's department, but the vector sizes just aren't playing nice. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The key is to start with the HTML_elements, .item list only elements, where you can extract names, phone numbers, and emails directly. By using XPath and searching for ancestors, you can pair each Li element with its corresponding H4. This way, you can extract the necessary data and handle cases where certain information is not available, returning any values appropriately for vacant positions or missing details. Continuing with the same line of thought, we can achieve a similar outcome without iterative functions like map by leveraging the fact that HTML_element returns a node set of the same length as the input. By directly applying HTML_element in the context of each attribute, e.g., H3, H4, phone, email, we can neatly organize the data into a table for easy analysis and visualization. Building on the previous approach, we can explore performance aspects by benchmarking the two methods. Analyzing the timings reveals a vast difference in efficiency, with a direct approach utilizing HTML_element significantly outperforms the iterative map method. This showcases the importance of understanding the capabilities of functions and utilizing them effectively to enhance scraping processes. In summary, navigating hierarchical data structures for web scraping requires a strategic approach, blending XPath queries and node selection functions like HTML_element to streamline data extraction and organization. By optimizing your methods, you can efficiently gather and format web data for further analysis. And remember, when in doubt, let the data guide your scraping journey. Now go forth, scrape like a pro, and may your data always be structured and tidy. And hey, if you ever need a break from coding, maybe consider a punny jokey. It's the bite-sized way to brighten your day.